Hi everyone. It's kind of late June as I'm filming this, and Juan and I are having some trouble sorting out a seat cover for El Baja-Ha. And what with my planned move here and everything, it's still quite up in the air, so not much is known, but I do need to start finishing off some projects and whatnot. So I think my story arc with El Baja-Ha needs to come to an end. So I've just taped up the seat here for now so that I can give it a test ride, because I mean, it wouldn't be fair. You guys have come along this far and to not ride the thing, well, that would just be a shame. So I'm gonna fire it up and let's give her a spin.
That's toda madre! Okay? That was awesome!